I, I, I have three hundred slaves. I'm gonna grow blue. My nickname is Moses. I'm Martin King Jr. I'm obviously the King Eagle. I was first one to win the Nobel Peace Prize. I am Rosa Parks. I got arrested, not given on a bus to a white man. This started the bus boycott. My name is Michelle Obama. I played while President Harvard. I helped kick in House to do my electoral campaign. My name is Barack Obama. I'm the first black president of the United States. I'm the 44th president of the United States.
All right.
I am Maria. I have pillows. And I had to wear a livery in the 1960s. I'm the fastest woman in the 1960s. I won 3 Olympic gold medals. I am Madam C.J. Walker, and I came to the land of Hurricane Brothers. I am the first black human being that you can purchase myself at home. I'm Kamaya Angela. I'm a poet and civil rights activist. I went for several presidents and the Presidential Medal of Freedom. I'm Garrett A. Hawkins. I'm main center of the gas truck in the traffic light.
And there's his traffic light right in front of him.
I'm George Washington Carver. I'm a scientist and I've been a peanut butter. I came up with 300 uses for the peanuts. I used to chicken roll colors.
He has on his surgeon outfit too.
I said William, and I never went William Timmons. I am Bitsy Coleman. I taught myself French. I moved to the French. I can go to pilot school. I was the first black female pilot. I'm Captain Jackson. I was the first black female. One of my family was the first black female to work for NASA. You needed the movie Hidden Figures and What About My Life? I am open and free. I'm the first black British African American of the 20th century. I was a talk show host, but now I'm on TV network. Now I'm a billionaire. I'm Henry Boxburn. I just live in Virginia. I'm Henry Boxburn. I just live in Virginia. Myself to fit my 23.
He said it very fast. But his name is Henry Box Brown. He Yeah, he was a slave, and at the age of 33, he boxed himself up and shipped himself to freedom.
Children are dressed in red. It's been the ones that Moses led. Wade in the water. Wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the water. Who is the children of this? Why God's gonna trouble the water? Must be the one that is alive. Gonna trouble the water. The water, wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the water. The children are dressed in blue. Water be the ones that made it through. Water, wade in the water, wade in the water. God's gonna trouble water. Wade in the water. Wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the water. Gonna trouble the water. That's gonna trouble the water. Gonna trouble the water. That's gonna trouble the water.
You may have noticed the children were looking up, they were pointing up, and this month they learned about following the drinking gourd, because we know that Harriet Tubman led over 300 slaves to freedom on the Underground Railroad. Back then, they didn't have compasses, they didn't have maps to show them the way. They had to use what God gave them. So they would look up